Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and welcome to the first episode of VLOGMAS! I tried to give y'all Christmas set. It's giving very much not Christmas set. I actually had my pretty little crackling candle, but I felt like the crackle was a little too loud for the needs of the people. And so she's lovely when I have to work on my own and do things. She's not necessarily lovely for audio recording, so we're just not doing that today. Guys, welcome to the holiday season, my favorite season. I am a Christmas girly. To begin Vlogmas the right way, I've decided to provide you guys with 3 different gift guides. The first one being 12 skincare items that are a must-have for anyone that you know is a skincare lover and would like to receive some skincare this holiday season. I have a list. I'm gonna try to get through 12 of these skincare products in less than 12 minutes. If I don't mind your business, mind your business. By the way, you guys, I will have prices on the screen and I will have links in the description box that are probably gonna be affiliate. Listen, this is the holiday season. You're giving gift to me too. Damn. All you have to do is purchase something using the affiliate link and I will make a commission off of it. So help your girl out. She's unemployed. This is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. This is the best physical exfoliator money can buy. It's really cheap too. I think it's like $14 or something. I will price check that. This is an amazing exfoliator. Only use it about 2 to 3 times a week, like maximum. Like you definitely do not need to be using that a lot. What I love is that the little particles in it, basically it's a powder. You pour a little bit of powder in your hand, put a little bit of water, and it all dissolves. But before it dissolves, it does give a nice polish to the face, and I think it's really, really nice. Okay, moving on. By the way, a lot of skincare I actually do end up finishing, and so for the products that I don't have in person, I will pop an image on the screen. Trust me, I'm a great editor.
I don't know. I really don't know.
And so you will have the pleasure of seeing all of it. So please mind your business. The second product is the Good Molecules Cleanse and Clarify Soap Bar. It's actually like a bar soap, but it doesn't technically contain soap. And it's a cleanser you can use on your face or your body. And for my acne prone skin, it is amazing. Granted, it has salicylic acid in it, a pretty high concentration, which means it is an exfoliating cleanser, so you should not be using that every night, okay? Don't be using that because then your skin is going to be sensitive. Do you want your skin to be sensitive? I'm pretty sure I heard no. And since you don't want your skin to be sensitive, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. You're done. It's really, really cheap, and honestly, if you have any kind of acne, I would strongly recommend this as an exfoliant, and because it's a cleanser, it's also less like the Agave Lip Mask from Bite Beauty are literally the best winter lip balms I have ever tried. I'm currently trying a new one. I'm not exactly going to tell you what it is, but let me tell y'all something. Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask always slaps. If you need something that is the most reliable lip balm on earth, you need to get your one. And I know you're probably looking at the price tag, Coralie, it's like 35 Canadian dollars. What am I supposed to do with this? It lasts for an amazingly long time. Like if you buy one right now, it's going to last you the entire Canadian winter. So please, it's my favorite lip balm. And it's the most solid. I like trying new things though, that's why I haven't repurchased it in a while, but I love it. So great. Next is the La Neige Cream Skin Toner. That toner, listen, tonight the Sephora sale is ending. I'm purchasing this tonight. Actually, Alexa, remind me to purchase something in 30 minutes. Okay. Listen, because if I don't remember to purchase this, I will literally die. This is one of my winter essentials. It's one of the best products to ever come out on the market. And I'm saying this as an oily skin gal. This is great. Amazing. We love her. CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. This is actually empty. If you need a more lightweight, everyday, day-to-day moisturizer that is cheap, but that works really nice, the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion is so good. I kid you not, you guys. This is the most, I feel, universal, non-irritating, but hydrating and soft feeling on the skin. You can wear this under makeup, you can wear this on your body, on your face, wherever you need some hydration. This is really great. I do feel like for the winter I need something a little more solid, but for all year long, this is amazing. And in the mornings, I love her. This is the CeraVe Baby Healing Ointment. If you follow Makeup for Women of Color on Twitter, Tiara Willis, she's an esthetician now. When she started posting, she was like, anyways, let me not talk about this. We don't have time for this, but she swears for the CeraVe Healing Ointment. Unfortunately, Canadian girlies, you can only get the baby version here, but it works literally just the same. This is amazing. I usually put this like every night in the colder season around my eyes, my nose, and my lips, so that my typical dry spots don't get dry. Also, if you guys don't know, I do have psoriasis, and I feel like this has helped tremendously, especially if I have a stubborn psoriasis patch right here. I have so many like right here. I can literally put this on, put makeup on top of it, and it's gonna look smoother. It's not gonna solve the issue. Psoriasis is incurable, it's an autoimmune disorder, but it is gonna help. Okay, moving on. Next is the Glow Recipe Papaya. Papaya?
It matters not what you've done, but what you do with what you've done.
Next is the Glow Recipe Papaya Enzyme Cleansing Balm. That's a makeup remover. When I tell you, this is my favorite cleansing balm of the year. It's so good. It's so good, and I feel like every time I used it, after, my skin felt so smooth, and I'm guessing it's the papaya enzyme in it. It must be doing some kind of extraordinary magic. It feels so good. It removes makeup really well. First of all, it makes your skin feel really smooth afterwards, and it's such a good cleansing balm. It has a soft, pretty scent, and like, I may be weak because my dad makes a lot of papaya smoothies. Like, that's a very typically Haitian thing, and so I enjoy it. By the way, if I'm touching things, this is my iPad. I got the information on there, so please mind your business. Next, we have the Laneige Lip Mask. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, you know, the little pink tub. I love that lip mask for the summer. I feel like it's less moisturizing than the By Beauty one, but it has so much product in it. Literally, the quantity of products that you get in that lip balm is through the roof incredible. If you ever want to get a good lip balm for your money, you want to get a lot of lip balm for your money, that's a really great one. I do prefer it during the summer because my lips tend to be less dry, and right now, you know, it's giving winter. Maybe the By Beauty one would take precedent. These are recommendations. Like, for some people that don't really get dry lips, this could be good all year long. Like, for me, my lips get dry and crackly, you know, during the winter. I need a little bit more. Oh my god, I'm a little nervous. Next is the Inky List Beta Hydroxy Acid Serum. This is a salicylic acid serum. As an acne-prone, oily skinned person myself, I'm a huge fan of a salicylic acid serum. I just think it works the best. It has the best, you know, effects for my type of skin, and if you have clogged pores, you know, other things I previously mentioned, you need salicylic acid in your life. Now, I just want to say, please, a lot of products that I'm talking about have salicylic acid, but don't be using 3 different salicylic acid products. You don't need that. I'm just giving y'all recommendations so that if, you know, you're thinking, you're like, oh girl, my cousin, she has a lot of acne, but she's really starting to get into skincare, maybe I should get her a salicylic acid serum. Next, we have the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% with hyaluronic acid. I just got this. This is a 60 ml version. If you have any kind of dark spots, acne girl, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation like myself, like you can clearly see. By the way, I'm doing this video with no makeup because I want y'all to see the skin. My skin is not great, but she's giving something. We don't know what it's giving, but it's giving something.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
This is amazing if you have hyperpigmentation. It's something I use every morning. It's not an exfoliating acid, so you don't have to worry about like increased sun sensitivity. And I'm so happy to restart using her. I wasn't using her because I was trying other skincare. I tried beauty-based skincare for 28 days video right here. This is so good. I'm gonna start using this again tomorrow morning. I'm so happy. Next is the Inky List Succinic Acid Treatment. I do believe this also has some salicylic acid in it. And this spot treatment, babes, I'm not trying to be this girl, but I want to be the person who gives y'all the best recommendation. This is the only skincare item that I have used, and the next day I immediately saw something happening. This is literally overnight stuff, like overnight change you will notice. My sentence did not make any sense. I don't know who Yoda thinks he's doing up in here. Is it a he or a she? That's the first question. Anyways, I would die for this. I'm gonna repurchase this. The 12th and final item is literally a makeup eraser. A makeup eraser goes such a long way. I love this instead of using cotton pads. What I love more, it's something that I bought for my mom's birthday actually, is, again, the brand Makeup Eraser. They have like something like this, but it's like 7 different little paths for each and every single day. And I bought this for my mom, and she really enjoys it because she likes using micellar waters, and it's better for the environment. There's so many benefits to using a washable cloth instead of using one-use cotton pads. So I will always be an advocate for something like that, and that's something I've truly enjoyed during the year. My mom has enjoyed it too, and I bought it for her as a gift, and I know they're having sets, those little sets that I described, so I'm gonna leave those linked in the description box down below so you guys can get your friends some gifts. Okay, next video is gonna be just as chaotic. It's gonna be just as chaotic, except it's gonna be 25 in less than 25 minutes. Good luck to me. This was it, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things you'd like to see me do. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, and feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. For Vlogmas, we're uploading 3 videos a week, which is girl, it's more than I've ever done. It's more than I've ever done, but I'm giving y'all 3 videos a week because I believe that sharing is caring. So do the same and share these videos so that your friends can see them as well. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Oh my god, that was such an exhausting video to film.